Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this Loci problem, which states that the crank OA revolves anticlockwise about O, and B moves to and fro along the horizontal line through O. Plot the locus of P if OA is 30 mm, AB is 95 mm, and AP is 20 mm. So the question is displayed at the top of the screen. We will first draw the diagram. Let's start with the circle. Use the center line. This is the center line. So from the question, OA is 30 mm. So that means the radius of our circle will be 30. So you can see 30. So we'll divide this circle into 12 divisions with the same radius. We're going to what? Put it here. You cut here and put this pen down. Put it here, you cut here and cut here. Put it here, you cut here, cut here. Then you put it here. You cut here and here. Then you put it here. You cut here. And you cut here. Then you join all this. So you join this to this. You use the center line. So now our A will be here. You can also put A here or here, anyone. You still get the same loci curve. So from AB is said to be 95 mm. So we'll measure 95. Use 95. So we'll put it at A and we'll strike here. And here is said to be moving in anticlockwise. Here is moving to and fro. So we can put it anticlockwise. And here is what? So here is like this. Here is reciprocating. Then here is anticlockwise. So now at this point, A, here will be what? Will be B. Here will be B. Then We join A and B. We're taking this, then we produce back. So now AP is said to be 20 millimeter. So this will be what? 20. So this is what? This will be our P. Then this A, then this B. Then we're also taking here. So this is the first one. Then now, since this is moving anti-clockwise, we'll move with it here. So here will be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11. Then this is the 12th part. So if you come here, you can say A12 at the back here, but there's no need. So your A coincides to A12. So likewise, we also get B1, B2, B3 to B11 here. And we also find P1, P2, P3. So since the distance from A here to B is 95, we'll also find the distance of 95 from A1. So I will find B1. So using this same distance, so in the same way, using the same distance, 95, so this is 95, so we'll come to A1 and also draw that 95 distance. So here now will be what? Will be our B1. This is our B1. In the same way, so now we can join this B1 to A1 and produce it to P. Or you can just do it round first, then you start joining it. Anyone. You can do it one by one. But I think it is faster to do them all like this before you start joining them. So this is what? B2. So in the same way, so this is B2. Then we'll find B3. This is B3. This is B4. This is B5. This is B5. So the motion here has started coming back. Before, the motion was moving, before this motion from here to A5, produced a forward motion, now is in a backward motion. So now, I'll mark those ones that is moving back with a smaller curve. So here what? This is B6. Then this is what? B7. B8. B9. B10. B11. So So now we'll join all the respective B's to their respective A's and we'll produce all of them to their respective P's. So now P1, so now B1, then B1, we'll join B, then B2, then B3, then B4, then B5 is already connected to A5. So, because it lies on the center line. So now B6, B7, then B8, then B9, then B10, then B11, this here. So it's also connected, but we'll have to extend here a little bit. So we'll extend here a little bit. So now we'll measure AP. AP is what is 20 millimeter. So now we'll use it to mark from all these A's, A1, A2, this line is the line of from B1 to A1. So now this B4 is from here, B4. So this is the line. Then we can be putting it as we're marking. So this is what? This is P1. Then this is what? P2. This is what? P3. This is what? P4. Then where's the line of P5? This is it. P5. So then P6 is this line. So it will be here. This is P6. That's from this line from B6. Then 7. P7 is this one, which is this. This is what? This is B7. Then P8 from here. This is P8. You can see the line from this B8 to here. So then 9, P9, then 10. So this is P10. Then this 11. Then back here. So you can see the locus from here around it. So this is how you do loci problems. Then we will draw this locus with a French curve. So this is the locus of P. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.